guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you would stay around and subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit your notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. So what I have for you today is a totally mind-blowing Dollar Tree Christmas haul for 2021. I don't know what Dollar Tree is doing, but crazy good items, okay? So sit down, make sure you're sitting down. Okay. Look at this. It's the Santa like the rabbit last year for Easter. This is Santa. Look at his plaid hat, his little pom-pom. Look at that holly, that adorable face. 2 buttons. Look at that, so adorable. And he has like a bean, like I think it's like bean bag, like down in the bottom, so that he'll stand up. I have him, and they weren't through. Here is the snowman. Look at that hat, that plaid around it with that same holly. Now his nose is not, it just goes around the side. It doesn't stick out, but I think it's adorable. Look at those little cheeks, his scarf, buttons. Look at this. And were they through with these? Oh no. They have the elves. Look at this little boy elf. He reminds me from Rudolph, of that guy that was the dentist. I think he's so funny. But look at that, he's so sweet, and he has the red buttons and his little collar, and look at those pointy ears. And he had to have a female, so here she is, a female elf. Look at those ears, that cute little nose. I love the color greens that they're using and that red. And here's her outfit. So these are the 4 that I could find for Christmas. Look at this goodness. I can't stand it, okay? I mean, they are exceeding my expectations, all right? Then, wait for it. It's going to keep coming. Look at this truck. It's the red truck with the Christmas tree. And it's like they did for fall, and it's a light. Mine's not glowing, but it has a light in it. Maybe I need to replace the battery. But the little tab hadn't been pulled. But look at that. How adorable. Okay. Found that. So I went ahead and picked up 2 of these. Let me pull this tab out. I think you have to do something a little bit different on the back. So I'll have to get my readers and see exactly how to do this. And it could just be it's burned out. But these are adorable. Okay. So I picked that up. Then, as many of you know, I'm doing my bedroom in a cabin theme this year. I'm so excited. So I picked up some of these ornaments. Love them. Look at, they have the snowflakes on them. It's fabric. I picked up, let's see, 3 like this. And then they had 2 like this, with just the kind of like a rickrack, a chevron design, and then the snowflakes at the top and bottom. So I picked up 2 of these. I cannot wait to do my bedroom for Christmas. It's going to be, I think, gorgeous, okay? And Maggie is in the reading room / den with Mom. She came down to visit, so she's in there playing with Mom, and she's in there with Mom. Okay, then I picked this up. Look at this, so pretty. I love it. Okay, Maggie decided to come in here, so she's down here checking out my little Santa and elves. But look at this, how pretty. It's plastic, but look at that. It looks like it could be glass. Love it. So I picked up, I'm holding some things back because I had so much. It's just too much to digest in one haul. But I've got some red ones, and then they have it in gold. So I picked up a couple of the gold. I really like the red ones the best, but these are gorgeous. Okay, and then, I don't know, look at this, the little bird houses, and look at this. This is plastic on top, and it looks like pine cones. And I love that buffalo check. And then that top is gorgeous. So I picked up, they had it in the black and white, and they had it in the red and black. And I think this will be so cute in my bedroom. And it almost looks like, when you look at it on the camera, it looks like it could be a little bird peeking out, but it doesn't really look like that in real life. But are these not adorable? Love them, okay? Then look what I found for Maggie. They have pet scarves, okay? And this one is like this. It's black and like white and red plaid. And I love this little fringe. And the best part is it has Velcro, so it'll just go right around her neck. Okay. And then they also had the red, white, and black check. This one is my favorite. I think it is so cute. She'll look so adorable. Okay. And let me see if it says neck size 3.94 inches for this to fit. All right. Then look what I found. Look at this Christmas tree. It's like corrugated cardboard on the front. And look at that delicious glitter, that plaid bow, and those berries. And I love how that tree is made. And that's what it looks like on the back. So beautiful. Then, oh gosh. Wait till you see this. I can't stand it. Look at this. It's a house. Can you believe it? Look at that. You could remake these if you wanted. You could leave them just like this. It has the chimney, and then this is all dimensional. This sticks up, this wood. And then this is on there. It's greenery. And it says, all hearts come home for Christmas. I love that. And this, you can see by me, is very large, okay? It's unfinished on the back. And this one says, home for the holidays. I'd say I'm going to remake mine, especially this one, because this one, they put these little things that they have, that like garland, and it kind of came off. But look how adorable. You can make so much out of this. You can make gingerbread houses. You can make regular Christmas houses. Love them, okay? Then, what can I say? Home for the holidays. Look at that red truck. I love how it looks so old around the side. And then that snow. The red truck with the packages. And then this is burlap. And then this up here is glitter. Look at those mountains with the trees. Or it kind of looks like it is. It's little hills. Oh, I love that. So adorable. Love it. Okay. Then I found this. I had never seen that. Most of this I have never seen before. Look at this one. Merry and Bright. Look how beautiful. And this is gold right here. It's kind of coming across silver sometimes, but it's gold. Look at those bulbs. So adorable. And I love this. It's just, it's not burlap, but it is gorgeous. Look at that. Like I said, most of the finds are new for me this year. I think I may have seen those scarves for the pets before. But I think everything else is new, okay? Then look what I found. These are totally different. Look at this, Believe. It's on the snowflake. They have the buffalo check ribbon and then Believe on there with the buffalo check behind it. I don't know if I like this that much, but you could do a lot with it. It's pretty. So I picked this version up. Then they had this version. It says Peace. I like this one better because it doesn't seem as dark or something to me, but I like this one. It says Peace, like I said. And these are very large, okay? And then this one says Mary. Look at this with the black and white buffalo check. And then the galvanized Mary on that black and white buffalo check. Love this. Well, hello. Hello. Okay, then look at these boxes. This says Mary on it with the poinsettias right there. So cute. You can hang them. And I like it because they're wrapped in plastic. Maybe they won't get so much scratched. That I don't know. And then this one's really cute. This one says peace. It looks very cold. This is in gold writing. Look at that. How pretty. And then I think this one's my favorite. Joy. Look at that with that beautiful tree in the background. All decorated. And the stars. And then the side is this plaid. And I didn't show you the others. They're plaid too. The white one that says peace is the black and white. And this is the black and red. But I think this one is definitely my favorite. I like the color combinations and I love that tree, okay? Then this is new to me and they have a couple different versions. This is the one I picked up. All is calm, all is bright, and it looks kind of like a scroll. But look at that with that beautiful wreath with that glitter. And then that. So adorable. Then we're going to do a candy taste test for Christmas as well. Look at this garland, Santa. Is that not gorgeous? I love it. I love the holly on his hat. Look at his face, how adorable. And you get 6 pieces. So cute. And they weren't through. Look, oh my gosh. They have this snowman. Look at this. I'll pop this one out. Look how adorable. With the snowflake. They just look so happy. I love them. I think they'll make a beautiful backdrop for our Christmas candy taste test. All right. Then this is new. I've never seen this before. Crafter Square, you get 3 pieces of wood cut out that says let it snow. Look how gorgeous. And you get 3 of these for $1. Oh my gosh. So I picked up 2 packs of this. Oh, blowing my mind, okay? Then I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. You get 2 of these in that buffalo check, black and red. And then they're just black on the back. I think these are so cute. And then, look at this. Have yourself a merry little Christmas with the truck. And it says, farm fresh trees. That's what that says right there. But look how cute. The snowflakes front and back. Then this one says gnome for the holidays. If you're into gnomes, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Front and back. And then this one I thought was really cute. I think maybe they had this one last year. It's all kind of like candy. Oh, so good. It looks like a candy theme, gingerbread theme. I thought that was adorable, front and back. Okay. Then I picked up 2 of these bows. They have the prettiest pre-made bows this year. Different kinds of fabric. I love them. But I thought these were cute. Okay. Then this is just some of the ribbon that I found. I'm keeping some of it back. Like I said, they had so much. I could not believe it. But this one right here is green. I think green is going to be a big color this Christmas. But this has, I think it's like trees and snow, but it's all green and that beige. And Maggie's playing with her Scooby-Doo truck. She looks like she's boxing it. She's digging. Then this is the other green. I think that's gorgeous. Look at that. And you can see, if I can find the other one, how it coordinates very nicely if you're into green. I think that's cute. Then look at this, the green check. So cute. This would really be cute together. Look at that. And then this one, these are birds. But look at that. So pretty. Just slight. It's got birds and pine cones. Really sweet. Okay. Then a couple more things and we're finished. I picked up another one of these because we're going to be making ornaments. So I picked this up. It's always good to have. And then I picked up some of these, some more of these. I try to always get them every year. The tree, the snowflakes, the bows. So cute. And then this has the snowflakes, trees, reindeer, and then snowman and bows. And then this is the last thing I found. I found L'Oreal there, brand name. Can you believe it? Infallible Paints, okay? Let's just open this and see what color this is. I don't even know if it's a color that I would be interested in, but I thought we would look. Oh, that's kind of dark. I don't think that's me. Maybe if you smeared it out. I don't know. It's kind of dark. Might work. I don't know. So that's everything that I found at the Dollar Tree for this week. All I can say is wait till next week. It's another totally mind-blowing, awesome Christmas Dollar Tree haul. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you Friday for a wonderful Hobby Lobby Christmas haul. It's going to be dealing with a lot of stuff for my bedroom. And then I see the doctor Monday, October the 25th. So I'd like to thank everyone for understanding why I can't answer the comments right now and why I'm not doing any of my DIYs. I have so many plans, I can't wait to start. So let me go get Maggie, who's right behind me. She always has to have her head propped up. She will make a way to prop that head up. So let me get her and let her say hi to you. Well, here's the baby. She says hi. She says hello. She says, I love you. Yes. Have you been playing with Mama? Oh my goodness, she's been playing with her Mama. So until next time, bye guys.